This is the inspiration from my son, the new generation of Birdster model bird feeder device. The appearance is made of environmentally friendly materials, allowing everyone to do it yourself according to their preferences, just like what my family and I have done. Undergone special treatment to be waterproof and sun resistant, meeting the needs for outdoor use. It is easy to replenish bird food. Equipped with an integrated solar panel and a custom-designed camera compartment, all of which make it look incredibly sophisticated and cool. Top-of-the-line camera configuration. When the little bird arrives, it can clearly capture their cute appearance. Provides AIGC artistic creation functions and app community interaction functions, allowing you to post your creative photos online and share the joy of birdwatching with birdwatching enthusiasts around the world.